There's a new timeline for when the vaccine will be made available to anyone in California who wants one. In a matter of days, anyone over 50 can make an appointment. And in just a few weeks, people 16 and over will also be included. CBS 2's Tina Patel is live this morning in South LA where the outreach effort continues. Tina, good morning to you.
Good morning, DeMarco. This health center has now vaccinated 90,000 people in the South LA community. But as much as that's an accomplishment, they know it's still just a small fraction of the people that need to be vaccinated in order to bring this pandemic to an end. Mortimer Jones was thrilled when he found out he could have a community vaccination clinic at the Salvation Army Seaman Center.
It's so important that we get as much people vaccinated. Our community is being hit big time by this.
South LA is full of essential workers who are at a higher risk for COVID. But even though many here are eligible for the vaccine, not everyone is getting in line.
People are just scared. They've heard so many different things. There's a lot of conspiracy theories going on out there.
Justin Williams understands the hesitancy, but he decided to get his shot this morning because he thinks the benefits outweigh the risks.
My parents are older, so it's just nice to get the shot, have access to it, and that way we could be at ease when it comes to traveling and moving around.
Today, Mayor Eric Garcetti announced a partnership with Kedren Health to try to improve vaccine education and access in South LA.
If you live in this zip code, you can rest assured you'll get priority. If you don't have internet access, we'll sign you up on site. All those barriers that keep people of color from getting what they deserve are completely knocked down here at Kedren.
The hope is if more people in South LA get vaccinated, more people around them will feel comfortable when it's their turn.
The best ambassadors is that friend or that neighbor or that family member.
Now, the mayor says he is glad that the state is expanding eligibility for the vaccine next month, but he admits it's going to be a challenge to make sure that there is still equity and that communities like this that are more vulnerable get their fair share of those vaccines. We'll send it back to you, DeMarco.
All right, Tina, we'll take it. Thank you.